Welcome to this video on e-bike maintenance. We will go through the process of replacing a worn-out rear tire. My Jasion e-bike EB7 ST has a year of intense use, and the rear tire is functionally worn. Replacing it is the best option to regain traction and stability. We begin with Phase 1, disassembling the e-bike. Step 1 is to remove the fender. This is the first obstacle. We will use a ratchet kit with Allen heads to remove the screws. Remove screws 1 and 2 with the number 4 head. These are located on the upper part of the bicycle frame. Next, remove screws 3 and 4 with the number 5 head. These are on the side parts of the bicycle frame. Step 2, flip the bike. Install handlebar jack supports and remove the saddle to access the wheels and improve stability. Step 3, disconnect the power. Remove the battery before starting. The 3-pin connector has a unique orientation, indicated by the seals at the ends. Step 4, disassemble the kickstand. Remove screws 5 and 6 with the number 5 head and extract the cable that runs through the middle of the support. Step 5, disassemble the brake caliper. Remove screws 7 and 8 with the number 5 head to free the disc. Step 6, release the axle. Remove the washers and nuts 1 and 2, using a wrench if you don't have a ratchet and sockets. A warning regarding the axle elements. The correct position is the serrated nuts 1 and 2 on the inside, and the washers plus nuts 1 and 2 on the outside. Without the washers and nuts 1 and 2, push the bicycle frame down so that the wheel resting on the ground goes up and is released. With the wheel completely disassembled from the bicycle frame, remove the serrated nuts 1 and 2. Now we move to Phase 2, replacing the tire. Step 7, empty the inner tube. Use a screw or key to press the valve and compress the tire. Less pressure means less difficulty. Step 8, remove the old tire. Use rim protectors and levers to free one side of the tire from the rim's interior. Completely free one side of the tire, extract the inner tube, and then extract the other side of the tire using force. Step 9, install the new tire. Fit one side of the new tire onto the rim without the inner tube. Insert the anti-puncture tape between the tire and the inner tube, aligning the valve with the rim hole. Fit the other side of the new tire with force, inflate the inner tube, and clean any rust from the sprockets. We are now ready for Phase 3, reassembling the e-bike. Step 10, mount the wheel. Use the saddle to lift the bike. Insert the serrated nuts 1 and 2 on each side and fit the wheel into the frame slots. Make sure that the serrated nuts 1 and 2 fit inside the bicycle frame. If they don't, try again. Apply controlled pressure until the axle fully engages. Install the washers and nuts 1 and 2 using a wrench if you lack a ratchet and sockets. Remember, the correct position of the axle elements is the serrated nuts 1 and 2 on the inside, and the washers plus nuts 1 and 2 on the outside. Step 12, reinstall the kickstand. Install screws 5 and 6 with the number 5 head. Guide the power cable inside the support before fixing it. Step 11, reinstall the brake caliper. Install screws 7 and 8 with the number 5 head, and ensure the disc is correctly fitted. Step 13, reconnect the motor cable. Align the connector pins and tighten the thread. The 3-pin connector has a unique orientation, indicated by the seals. Step 14, flip the bike. With the bike in its original position and all systems reconnected, test the gears. Step 15, check the safety of all components. Thank you for watching this video on e-bike maintenance.